Hello guys, it's your girl Eko Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well. On today's kitchen, I'm preparing peanut butter or groundnut paste. It's very simple in just 30 minutes or 25 minutes. And all what we need is our peanuts. And that's our peanuts that we are using 1.5 kilos. We are going to use it. You can use your oven to toast it in 30 minutes. And today I'm using my pan to toast it. So let's quickly start. It's very simple and it's better doing it home than the one that you normally buy outside. So let me cut it and then start toasting it. Just as simple. I'm not going to toast everything. I'm dividing it into two. After I will toast the half two. Okay, so let me put it on fire. I'm going to stir it gradually. Step by step. Don't forget, I'm using the blender. I'm using blender to blend it after. So whilst if you are using blender, don't forget to, whilst you are blending it, you don't blend it continuously. You have to break it for some time. Other than that, you will spoil your blender. Okay, don't forget that. Very simple recipe. And it tastes good too. We're going to toast everything and then pull the skin from it and blend it. My peanut is almost ready. In about 2 minutes, we off our stove. My peanut is ready. I'm going to toast the half too. Don't forget, you have to let the one that is ready, you have to let it dry a bit. Cool it down a bit, then you peel the skin from it. I'm toasting the rest of the half. I'm going to do it the same as the first one, okay? Please try it for your girl, eh? It's very simple. Try it. The second one too is ready. It's also ready. It's about 20-25 minutes. And your roasted peanut is ready. Right now I'm peeling my peanuts. You can use your two hands to do it. Going to put everything. That's the half of it. The half two is there cooling. You have to put everything. Then you blow the skin out of it. Guys, I've peeled the skin, so I'm going to let the skin out of the peanuts like this. It's just a simple. Okay, it's a simple one. I'm going to remove the bad ones from it. So right now I'm going to separate the good one. I don't want the one that has bent. I don't like it. To let my peanuts better bitter, so I'm putting it aside. Then the one that has the skin too, you try to remove it. Then you separate the good ones from it and put it inside another neat bowl. Our peanut is ready. We have peeled the skin from it, so we are going to blend it bit by bit, not too much. Use it to blend it. Our groundnut paste is ready. You have to put it inside a very neat container for you to store it. Very neat one. You put everything inside. You can enjoy it with bread. You can even use it to cook groundnut soup. It's very delicious. If today is the first time of watching this video, please subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment for your girl. I have a lot for you. Okay, I'm showing you another method. This one makes it easier and simple for you because it's already smooth. We are not going to add any water to it. I've already blended on here. Let me add it together. Then blend it. Okay. So just look at your peanuts, how beautiful it is. Just look at it. You can use it to make your soup or enjoy it with your bread. Anything goes. Very simple and nice in a very neat container. Let's catch up in our next recipe. See you. Bye.